COMPXM Round 1 to 4 answers. Top results $9.99. COMPXM 2025 COMPXM 2026 Strategic Decision-Making in COMPXM Simulation, a practical MBA guide to scoring above 940 points in Round 1. Introduction. The COMPXM simulation is a capstone exercise designed to evaluate an MBA student's mastery of business fundamentals, decision-making under pressure, and strategic integration across functional areas. Achieving a high score, such as 947 out of a possible 1,000, requires not only familiarity with the simulation mechanics but also a disciplined, data-driven, and customer-oriented decision-making process. This guide presents a comprehensive walkthrough of Round 1 decision-making within COMPXM, integrating marketing analysis, operations planning, human resource optimization, financial structuring, and investment and quality management. The decisions described reflect a broad differentiation strategy, balancing innovation, market responsiveness, and cost efficiency. Step 1. Conducting a strategic situation analysis before initiating any decisions. A robust analysis of market reports from the previous year is essential. These reports provide insights into segment-specific customer preferences, competitive pricing, product performance, and ideal positioning. 1.1 Thrift Segment Insights. Price sensitivity. Customers in this segment prefer lower prices, with successful competitors pricing products around $19 to $20. Reliability, measured by mean time before failure, MTBF, plays a significant role. Products with MTBF near 17,000 scored highest in customer surveys. Positioning. Ideal specs include a performance score around 5.5 and size near 14.5. 1.2 Core Segment Overview. Ideal price range, $20 to $32, with customer sensitivity, importance score, of 46%. Product age. Ideal age is 2 years, importance 20%, making this a key design criterion. MTBF. Top-performing products maintain reliability at or above 22,000. 1.3 Nanosegment Requirements. Performance and size expectations. Target values are 9.5, performance, and 8.5, size, with 35% importance. Pricing. Acceptable range is $28 to $40. Market evidence. Competitors who met or exceeded performance specs, e.g., 10.0 and 8.0, gained market share exceeding 18%. 1.4 Elite Segment Profile. Product age. Ideal is 0 years, i.e., customers seek newly launched products, importance 34%. Price sensitivity, significant, at 24%. Strategic implication. This segment demands continuous innovation and new product introductions. Step 2. Research and Development, R&D, Strategy. R&D decisions directly influence product design, launch timing, and alignment with segment-specific expectations. The goal in Round 1 is to reposition existing products and launch strategically differentiated new ones. 2.1 Existing product updates. Thrift product Atom, updated to performance equals 5.5, size equals 14.6. Core product After, set to performance equals 7.6, size equals 12.2, updated to launch late in the year, August. Nano product Able, realigned to performance equals 11.0, size equals 7.2. Elite product EA, configured at performance equals 13.0, size equals 9.2. 2.2 New product introductions to support the broad differentiation strategy. 3 new products were developed, AX, a crossover targeting Co, Nano, and Elite segments, performance equals 13.0, size equals 7.0, MTBF equals 22,000. Able, new nano-focused, performance equals 12.1, size equals 6.0, MTBF equals 24,000. AR, elite-focused, performance equals 14.2, size equals 8.0, MTBF equals 26,000. Strategic timing is controlled by recalculating R&D cycles to ensure products launch in the latter part of the year, maximizing relevance for the next fiscal cycle. Step 3. Total Quality Management, TQM. Investment. TQM initiatives serve as leverage points for performance improvements across R&D, production, HR, and cost control. 3.1 Investment strategy amount, $1,000 per initiative for round 1, totaling $4,000. Justification, additional spending beyond $2,000 per initiative or $4,000 overall offers diminishing returns. 3.2 Projected outcomes material cost reduction, 1.7 to 2.2% labor cost reduction, 2.2 to 2.8% R&D cycle time reduction, 11.1 to 14.1% admin cost reduction, 16.4 to 22.1% demand increase, 2.1 to 2.9% TQM enables the compression of product development timelines and operational efficiencies that reduce unit costs, a critical advantage in price-sensitive segments. Step 4, Marketing Decisions 4.1 Pricing Strategy Thrift Segment, Atom reduced price to $20 to align with top-performing competitors. Core Segment, after reduced price from $32 to $29 based on competitor benchmarks. 4.2 Promotion and Sales Budgeting Standardized Investment, $2,000 for both promotion and sales budget per product. Rationale, ensures high awareness and accessibility scores, boosting customer recall and channel presence. 4.3 Forecasting demand forecasts are based on previous year's sales adjusted by the segment's projected growth rate. For example, Atom forecasted 1,200 to 2,000 units. Other products, forecasted within the 1,100 to 1,950 range. This forecast guides both marketing spend efficiency and production scheduling. Step 5, Human Resource Management 5.1 Recruitment and Training Recruitment spend, $5,000 to attract the most qualified staff. Training hours, maximized to 80 hours per employee. 5.2 Strategic Impact increases productivity and labor efficiency. Reduces production cost per unit. Positively influences balanced scorecard metrics. Effective HR investments contribute to multiple functional KPIs, including cost containment and contribution margins. Step 6, Production Planning 6.1 Automation Levels Thrift, Atom target automation level equals 9, goal is to reach 10 rapidly. Other products, automation levels range from 4 to 7, depending on segment price sensitivity. 6.2 Capacity and Scheduling Production Volume, aligned with marketing forecasts. New products, assign 300 units of new capacity each. Capacity buffers, additional 50 to 100 units added to prevent second shift labor cost overages. Strategic automation and capacity investments are essential in building cost-efficient production systems, especially in competitive low-price segments. Step 7, Financial Strategy 7.1 Capital Structure Adjustments Issued Current Debt, $20,000 Issued Long-Term Debt, $14,722 Stock Issuance, none, due to high retained earnings. 7.2 Financial Ratios and Performance Goals Leverage, targeted at 1.4, optimized via new debt. Days of working capital, aim to increase from 18 days. 7.3 Cash Management Projected year-end cash position, $33,000 objective, maintain liquidity while supporting aggressive R&D and production expansion. Balancing debt with retained earnings ensures sufficient working capital and positions the firm for long-term profitability without diluting equity. Step 8, Performance Evaluation using Balanced Scorecard 8.1 Round 1 Outcome Initial Score, 54.6 Post-Decision Score, 61.3 Projected Score, 67.7 Key Metrics Monitored Contribution Margin Stockouts Days of Working Capital Leverage Net Income Cash Position. These metrics provide a holistic view of firm performance, integrating operational execution with strategic outcomes. Key takeaways and recommendations: adopt a data-driven, segment-specific mindset. Success in COMPXM hinges on understanding what each customer segment values most. Align R&D specs, pricing, and promotional strategies accordingly. Prioritize cost efficiency in low-end segments. Automation, pricing, and labor productivity are paramount in the thrift and core segments where price competition is fierce. Leverage TQM early for long-term gains. TQM investment in Round 1 provides multiplier effects on cost reduction and demand generation in subsequent rounds. balance innovation with operational realism. Introducing 3 new products reflects a bold, growth-oriented strategy. However, new capacity, R&D timing, and market education must be realistically managed. Monitor and adjust financial leverage carefully. Strategically using debt can improve both leverage ratios and working capital, but excess borrowing may constrain future flexibility. Conclusion: this round 1 walkthrough demonstrates a holistic, integrated approach to COMPXM decision-making aligned with a broad differentiation strategy. By thoroughly analyzing customer preferences, investing in quality, optimizing HR and operations, and managing financial resources strategically, MBA students can consistently achieve top-tier simulation scores. The principles outlined here are not only applicable to COMPXM but also mirror real-world managerial decision-making across industries. Fastest support TO. Get top results $9.99. Email behelp2002@gmail.com. Blog https://capsimeguide2021.blogspot.com. Free Excel file for all 4 rounds. Download from blog or send the email. Online quick support Q&A equals WhatsApp equals https://bit.ly/3silp9u. Whole game support equals $40 for 4 rounds plus 5 quizzes. Support equals top results.